My dear students, in our previous class we learnt the rules of transformation from given direct into indirect. There we discussed the reporting verb is in past tense, if the reporting verb is in present tense, or else if the reporting verb is in future tense, how we are going to change reported verb. So here take an example. Ramesh said I bring sweets. I bring sweets. Ramesh says here in place of said. If it is says, then what we write? And Ramesh will say. Okay, we'll keep the same sentence. See here, Ramesh said I bring sweets. Ramesh says I bring sweets. Ramesh will say I bring sweets. Here in detail we discussed about how we are going to change reporting verb and reported verb. Even we discussed we should not change tense of the reporting verb, but we can change its form. And based on this tense, we are going to change here this one, reported verb. Here if the reporting verb is in present tense, we should not change time and tense of the reported verb. We can change form according to the change of the person. If the reporting verb is in future tense, we do not change tense and time of the reported verb, but we can change its form according to that person. If the reporting verb is in past tense, we are going to change a reported verb according to the rule. There we discussed the sense. Simple present is changed into simple past. Present continuous is changed into past continuous. Present perfect is changed into past perfect. Present perfect continuous is changed into past perfect continuous. Simple past is changed into past perfect. Past continuous is changed into past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect and past perfect continuous, they remain same. And in future tense, here shall becomes should, will becomes would, can becomes could, may becomes might. There we discussed everything, and even we discussed assertive sentences. In all the cases, present tense, past tense and future tense. Even there we discussed, though the reporting verb is in past tense, if the here teacher said her blood is red. Here the given statement within the inverted commas is universal truth, then we are not going to change its time and tense, though it is in past tense. It's a limitation. There we discussed about everything, assertive sentence, even universal cases also. Today in this class we will discuss regarding how to change interrogative sentences and imperative sentences. Changing interrogative sentence and imperative sentence, in both the cases we do not use that as connector. Interrogative sentences, INTRROGATI, interrogative sentences, concerned with interrogative sentences, how to change given direct into indirect. First remember rules here. Given interrogative sentence should be changed into assertive sentence. Interrogative sentence should be changed into assertive sentence. Next, WH plus AX plus S is changed into the same it is. Here, same version of the first one. Okay. It is WH plus S plus AX. Then third, it is we should use questioned while discussing regarding the change of reporting verb. There I explained how we are going to change a reporting verb, and the statement within the inverted commas is an interrogative sentence. So questioned, here asked, interrogated, inquired, and any other things related to the sense of the statement within the inverted commas. Next, fourth one, we do not use that. In place of that, WH word is retained as it is. WH word is retained as it is. There is no change if the statement is WH. In place of a connector, that we are going to use the WH word. And fifth one, if it is yes or no type, if it is yes or no type question, there we use or the statement within the inverted commas begins with an auxiliary or a helping verb. There we use whether or if in place of that. If the statement is WH, starts with WH word will be retained as it is. If the statement is an yes or no type, there we use whether or if in place of WH word. Okay, these are the minimum we have to remember the rules. So given interrogative sentence should be changed into assertive sentence. WH plus AX plus S is changed into WH plus S plus AX. Next, here it is concerned with reporting verb. Said is changed into asked, questioned, inquired. Then in place of that, here we are not going to use that. We have to use WH word as it is, as connector. In place of that, if there is no WH word, hence it begins with an auxiliary, hence at that time there should be used whether or if. These are the important rules that we have to remember while solving WH questions. Interrogatives. Here I write some sentences. Here some examples we will solve today. Mohan, right, 1 minute. Mohan said to me, some questions I will write. Mohan said to me, what is your name? What is your name? Next, second one. Mohan said to Manoj, Manoj, why are you crying? Why are you crying? Examples. 3. The police said to him, where is your license? Where is your license? Interrogative mark, license. Fourth one, Mohan said to Ramesh, Mohan said to Ramesh, where do you live? Where do you live? Fifth one, Nandini said to Manoj, Nandini said to Manoj, are you reading chemistry? Are you reading chemistry? You have to write down. Sixth one, Mohan said to Manoj, Mohan said to Manoj, Manoj, are you in a position to help me now? Next, seventh one, he said to me, who is your friend? Who is your friend? Interrogative mark. Eighth one, mother said to her daughter, have you completed your homework? Have you completed your homework? Next, ninth one, he said to me, can you lift this box? Okay, enough it is now. We'll solve all these questions. So here we have WH questions also, as well as yes or no. Here WH and yes or no, and WH questions. As I said, while solving interrogative, the most important thing we have to remember, WH plus AX plus yes, it is interrogative form. What are you? Here WH means what are you should be changed into WH plus S plus AX to indirect. Okay, so and all other tense rules and changing reporting verb and then nearness to remoteness and change of persons, rules and regulations will be equally applicable as we applied while solving assertive sentence. Same rules and regulations will be applied. Now, here first one here, Mohan said to me, as this part said to, asked, not asked to, questioned to, not like that. Here it's Mohan here said to me means asked me. Mohan asked me. Here what is that? Mohan asked me. We have to keep WH as it is. Then Here interrogative sentence should be changed into assertive sentence. Should be changed into assertive sentence. And assertive sentence, what your changes into what my name. What my name was. Not what was my name. Once again it becomes interrogative form. Simply changing what was, it is wrong. So WH plus AX plus AS should be changed into WH plus AS plus AX. Then here what my name is, what my name was. What my name was. He asked me what my name was. He asked me what my name was. It means we have retained here, and we should not use this one. Interrogative form. Mohan asked me. Mohan asked me what my name was. Okay, here we are not going to use that. In interrogative cases, we do not use that as connector. In WH cases, we have to use WH word itself as it is, and in yes or no questions, there we have to use whether or if. Next, here, come to the next question. Mohan said to Manoj. Mohan said to Manoj. Mohan asked Manoj. Mohan asked Manoj. Said to means asked. Question you may use. Manoj, why? Why we have to keep as it is. Once again, WH plus AX plus should be changed into WH plus S plus AX. Why? Here interchanging. Why? He was crying. Why? He was crying. Why? He was crying. Here, why? Interchanging. Here, it remains as it is. It remains, WH word remains as it is. And we interchange R and U. U comes over here. U means here. Here, he. R is changed into was. Present continuous tense changed into past continuous tense. Mohan asked Manoj why he was crying. It means you are, he was. Change of the reporting verb, change of the person, change of the tense, and here we do not use that. Next, third one, third case, the police enquired him. The police enquired or questioned, you may use questioned. Okay, enquired him. The police enquired him, keep her as it is. Dear students, please concentrate. We have to keep WH word as it is, then should interchange these two. Yes comes over here and auxiliary goes in position of subject. Her. To him means his license was. He changes into was. Where said to him, not to me. If it is the police said to me, then answer will be the police enquired me where my license was. If it is him, then his license was. It means without changing the sense, we have to change it into indirect speech. Next, here I'll write the next one. The Mohan said to Ramesh. The first one, next one, third one, now fourth one. Mohan said to Ramesh. Mohan asked Ramesh. Asked Ramesh. Proper nouns should begin with capital letters. So Mohan said to Ramesh, where do you live? Keep where as it is. First keep where as it is. Where as it is. Where. Change here. What is the type of the sentence here? Do you live? Do you live? This part. Where? Now, here, read this one. Do you live? Is interrogative form. Make its assertive form. Assertive form will be positive sentence. Here, you live. You live. Because it is simple present tense. Simple present tense should be changed into simple past tense according to the rule that we already studied. Here, Mohan said to Ramesh, where he lived. Where he lived. Where he lived. It's answer. Fourth one. Fifth one. Here. Answer for fifth question. I'm getting place here. I'll write fifth one. Answer. Try to solve along with this one only, and it is very easy to understand interrogative sentences, and almost in all the cases in our annual examination we will get 1 or 2 sentences in this interrogative form. Okay. So fifth one, Nandini asked Manoj. Here, Nandini asked Manoj. Nandini asked Manoj, sir? Yes, see here, this is the sentence begins with an auxiliary. Hence, we have to use whether or if. Whether. Now, change ax plus s should be changed into s plus ax. Whether he, you changes into he. It is a present continuous tense, should be changed into past continuous tense. Whether he was reading chemistry. Whether he was reading chemistry. It's answer. Here, first 4 started WH words. We have kept WH word as it is. Here where, and here where, and why, what. And this one, fifth one, as the sentence begins with an auxiliary, hence, if the statement begins with an auxiliary, then in position of a connector there should be whether or if. He was reading chemistry. He was because present continuous tense should be changed into past continuous tense. Tense rules are equally or the same, applicable in assertive sentence or interrogative sentence or in exclamatory sentence. Imperative is quite different. Next, here sixth one, Mohan, answer, Mohan asked Manoj, Mohan asked Manoj, once again, are you, here you are, okay, you are means he was, whether he was in a position to help me changes into Manoj, help him. Now means then, nearness to remoteness. nearness to remoteness. Mohan asked Manoj whether he was in a position to help him then. Mohan said to Manoj, are you in a position to help me now? Manoj asked or questioned. Mohan asked Manoj whether he was in a position to help him then. Nearness to remoteness should be changed into remoteness. Next, seventh one. He said to me, who is your friend? He said to me, who is your friend? I'll write here its answer. Who is your friend? He said to me, who is your friend? He asked me. Here, he asked me, WH word, who, your changes into me, my, who, my friend. Your friend means my friend, he changes into was. Full point. We should not use any interrogative mark or that inverted commas. It is wrong. Once again, if you use the same punctuation marks. Here, he said to me, who is your friend? He asked me or he questioned me, who, keeping WH word as it is, my friend was. Next, eighth one. Mother said to her daughter, here, mother asked her daughter whether here, daughter, have you have. Daughter in the sense here, person, she, whether she, present perfect should be changed into past perfect, whether she had completed, your homework means her homework, mother said to her daughter, mother asked her daughter whether she had completed her homework. Okay, then the last one, using this one, he said to me, can you lift this box? He asked me once again, interchanging, you can. Instead of can you, it should be you can. He asked me whether here I could, you means me means here, me means I, here you, me and you, it is related to first person only. Okay, here I could lift. Here this nearness to remoteness once again, my dear students. Okay, this that box. So here, while changing these 9 or 10 sentences are enough to understand given direct into indirect. If the statement starts with WH word, we have to retain WH word as it is, then solving the remaining part using all the rules and regulations of transformation. Okay, tense rules, reporting, changing the reporting verb, changing reported verb, changing person, changing nearness to remoteness, all rules and regulations will be applied same. The thing is that when we change from given direct into indirect, there we should not use question mark, any inverted commas or commas, anything. Okay, this is punctuation rule. Okay, the first one here, Mohan said to me, Mohan asked me, what is your name? Mohan asked me, questioned me, what my name was. What my name was. So, the same it is. Mohan said to Ramesh, where do you live? Mohan asked Ramesh where he lived. Simple present is changed into simple past. Then he said to me, who is your friend? He asked me who my friend was. Here another one. Mohan said to Manoj, are you in a position to help me now? Starts with an auxiliary. There we have to use whether or if. Whether or if. So he said to Mohan asked Manoj whether simple present is changed, present continuous is changed into past continuous change. Whether he was in a position to help him then. It means given, while changing, once again I'll explain the rule. Please listen carefully. While changing interrogative sentences into indirect, first we should change given sentence into assertive. We should not use question mark. WH plus AX plus S should be changed into WH plus S plus AX. Then we should not use that as connector. Concern WH. The sentence starts with WH word. WH word should be retained as it is in position of the connector. If the statement is an yes or no, there we have to use whether or if. Then transformation rules will be applicable equally. And here, these are the interrogative cases. Then after interrogative sentences, we are going to discuss regarding imperative sentences, a few imperative sentences. Today I will explain the rule to change imperative sentence. And imperative sentence, as we discussed in our previous class regarding rules, if the reporting verb is in past tense, then the statement within the inverted commas is an imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. It should be changed according to the sense. If the sentence within the inverted commas, is an order or request, these things. Here one example. Teacher said, work hard. Work hard. I will give two examples. Then captain said, start war. Start war. Okay. Here while changing imperative sentences, rules. The first one here, requested, ordered, then advised will be used. The next one, we should not use that. That is not used. Even as we studied just only, we have studied that interrogative. Even in interrogative we do not use that. That condition is different. That is not used. Then third one, teacher said, work hard. Then third, given the statement within the inverted commas, in reported verb should be changed into infinitive. Means V1 should be changed into 2 plus V1. This is V1, it should be changed into 2 plus V1. Here. Mohan said to his wife, bring a glass of water. Bring a glass of water. To bring a glass of water. Bring. Here. V1 is changed into 2 plus V1. Then it is the easiest, imperative sentence is the easiest to change into indirect. What is that? Here. Only changing given finite into infinitive. That is, here teacher, here what is meaning over here? Requested, ordered, advised. Okay. The meaning is very important here. The teacher advised his students. Am I right? Advised, need not write. Advised to work hard. The teacher advised to work hard. Okay, the teacher said to his students, if I write here, his students. The teacher advised, said to his students, teacher advised his students. The teacher advised his students to work hard. This is enough, or this is an indirect form. Only change is here. V1 should be changed into 2 plus V1. Here, Mohan said to his wife, bring a glass of water, bring a glass of water, bring a glass of water. It depends. So here, whether we have to use ordered or requested, commanded, and here which one? Advised. Here, Mohan requested his wife. Mohan requested his wife to bring a glass of water. Here, to bring a glass of, it means V1 should be changed into 2 plus V1. So, I hope you understood interrogative sentences, and we have started imperative. Solved 2 questions along with some rules, and we'll explain a few more examples in next class. I hope you are doing well. Now you are at home and you are studying. Take care. Thank you. Have a good day.